Hello folks, Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning Technology coming at you here. We're taking a look at our MarketScope 360 page. For those that are already Trade Idea subscribers come across this, you have access to it right on our webpage. Just head to trade-ideas.com, look for that MarketScope 360 link you'll find across the top of the page. Great heat maps, charts, quick, easy, swap through on the different time frames on them. If we scroll down here, we've got a proprietary stock races, a few different races for you to look at here. We have our advanced decliners, right? What kind of day in the market is it? Are we fairly well balanced? Are we leaning to the buy side, the sell side? Coming back up here, we've got several different scans that we can look at as this map here. Biggest change from the close, biggest change from the open, biggest change over the last hour. So a lot of ways to look at the data throughout the day. Great for mobile devices. If you are new to Trade Ideas completely, you don't have an account yet, come start a free delayed data account. Get familiar with this. You can really start to understand who and what we are, how we do things, how we display data. Maybe you want to take that next step further for your own customizable scans with the full software. Again, if you liked what you saw here, you want to learn more, come visit us, trade-ideas.com. We'll look forward to see you there.